So you guys, we finally got a little time to work on my 331. It's been like 2 weeks since I touched it. You guys saw like what, a video or two ago. But we've been real busy right here in the shop, doing real good. Check out those banners my buddy Chris sent me. Yeah, we've been doing real good. Been working real hard on this car right here. It's a little Vortec car. My man bought it, and man, it was all jacked up to say the least. But let's just say we are putting it back together, and how we put it back together, you know, all the wiring getting cleaned up. Kind of stuff that we like to do is like this, you know. You guys know what it looks like from the factory. So we're cleaning this car up. 5-speed swapped it for him. Got a bunch of good motion parts, catch can, and but yeah, let's continue with this one. What's up, you guys? All right, moment of truth has come. It's time I tell you guys what we're really doing with the Cobra. All right. So you guys know on the last few videos I told you something special was coming from my buddy Chris, and man, you know my buddy always takes care of us. Go hook my brother up, man. Just go get you something. I always be telling my friends to buy stuff from there, but I never know if they do. Anyways, this is what he sent, fellas. Can y'all believe that? I probably got the last one on earth. Nope, doesn't stop there. That's right, fellas. He sent us out a Holly Terminator X, and it's the Fox kit. He had one stored away, a little pack rat you. Anyway, he sent me one out. He wanted to be a part of this Cobra build, and I can't thank him enough, man. And we also got these little baby 62s that are gonna go on, you know, from Precision. So let's take a look and open it together. I haven't even opened it yet, fellas, so let's take a look. Ooh. Man, look at that. So it's a little baby 62, which I mean for a 331, it's gonna be good, you know, spool up quick. So 62, 66s. So 66 is on the exhaust, 62 on the intake. And you guys can see these are billet wheel. It's got a ported housing, and yeah, it's a T4 flange, fellas. Thing looks awesome. Man, these little 62s are gonna spool up fast, I hope, in my car. We'll read that stuff later, but man, could you guys take a look at that? My buddy Chris, man. Boy, I can't thank you enough. This looks amazing. Take a look at that, fellas. Wow. Also, got the mounts to go with it. These mounts are from Maven. I think I got this one open. Look at this, guys. 1-inch tube adapter. Bolts to the bottom of that. Let's take a look. It goes in there like that. You gotta clock this thing. But yeah, fellas. Wow, unbelievable. What a Christmas I had. I've been keeping it secret from you guys because it's just, I still can't believe it. But Yeah, so we have some work to do, fellas. I got you guys seen, I got the long block built, and valves all adjusted. I still haven't figured out what I'm going to do with those motion valve covers, but they're there. I might just paint them, put them on. We did get the intake torqued on. Show you guys that. And well, I guess what we got to do now is get the motor in the engine bay, sit it in there, and start mocking these up, fellas. I can't believe how good these look. Oh my god. As I never had anything like this twin turbo, fellas. So yeah, once again, big shout out to my boy Chris. We got the Terminator X from him that he was holding. It's probably the last one on Earth. Nah, but I think he's got another one hiding somewhere too. So we got some work to do, fellas. So stay tuned. The next couple of vids are going to be exciting. You know, we got the Holly, the twin turbo kit that we're going to be building, and we're going to be piecing it together. So stay tuned, fellas. Hope you guys are excited as I am. All right, take it easy. Hi guys, so you know, it ain't no secret here. Headers are on backwards. I'm about to chop all this off, and we're gonna make a turbo kit from here. And it's pretty good. I mean, the thing is reversed, but it's actually got clearance like it's a regular header, so that's pretty good. Won't be any problems with spark plugs. So for those of you that just are starting to watch, we got 330 short block. It's only bored 20 over. Race Tech pistons, Trick Flow 190s, Trick Flow R intake, and here's the rest of the parts to complete it. Trick Flow 7/16 rockers, Edelbrock pump, push rods from Trick Flow with 190Rs in a stock block. This is what I came up with. 7200. Seems pretty good. Haven't had any wear on the valves. That was uneven, but you guys can see it's in the middle. Anyway, we got this block ready to go. We'll start building it right here. We're gonna put the lifters, adjust all the valves, and hopefully we'll have a long block by the end of the day, fellas. We got the crew working over there, so we'll get going. All right, fellas. I'll update you guys once we get a little further and get some push rods, and I might throw in some time lapse in there so you guys can see how we do it. The main goal is right now is we got to get this motor built and set in the car, and then we can start connecting the Legos from there, fellas. So let's get this long block built.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Oh my god, now they all look jealous. Brand new drip, hope they all got umbrellas. Y'all don't fit in, call them all Cinderellas. And I heard your last shit, dog, you can do better. You ain't got shit on me, homie, that's facts. I just bought a new crib, I buy another for the tax. We ain't in the same league, we ain't in the same brackets. I ain't made a joint yet, they already know it slaps. Now I need the dollars. Got a new girl and she look like Madonna. Found a new flow and it's hot like the sauna. Buying these stocks, I don't care about designer. Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous.
Staying high with the mace, tipping wine to the face.
Alright, you guys, we got to this point where I got all the lifters in and the little dog bones in, this thing torqued, push rods in, put some oil on them, rocker nuts and rockers all the way in, and I got to the point where I'm ready to adjust. So I got my breaker bar, I'm on top dead center. I'm gonna adjust these two, and then I'm just gonna go down the line, fellas, and adjust them. So That's next. I'll adjust the valves, and I think we're gonna have a long block, fellas. So keep it tuned. All right, guys. We got that fast steady valve adjustment on there. Got all the valves adjusted. So it's pretty much the long block. I'm gonna have Eddie sandblast the timing cover and clean the oil pan, and
Ready?
should be ready to set in the motor, fellas. Valve covers are right there. I don't know if I'm gonna paint them or powder coat them. You know, I really don't want to spend any extra money, so maybe a fish nasty paint job. They're really nice valve covers. Motion Race works, but unfortunately this coating, you know, just didn't last. It couldn't do with the turbo heat. So there you guys have it, fellas. Tighten these down to I think it's, you know, different for everybody, but I do like half a turn and a hair more, and it's been true for me pretty good. So I'll get this thing back up to the top dead center, so I can, when I put this thing back all together, I can just drop the distributor in, and she's good to go. So there it is, fellas, long block. So once we get this motor set into the car, I got my 2.5-inch builder kit, and I'm gonna start mocking up the turbos and the hot side, fellas. So I can't wait for that. Stay tuned. All right, you guys. That's why you never see a twin turbo Fox around here, is because, man, it's a lot of. So you guys, so we got the intake on the Cobra motor. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the cover and the oil pan on. That's my homie Alan, and we're gonna actually put the motor in the Cobra, guys. Check this out. Woo, fellas. Are you guys excited or what? One entrance. Look at that. Can't see that under the bumper. This thing needs to go up a little bit too. Right there. Nice, fellas. So me and the young kid got this fitted in today, and tomorrow we're gonna put the motor in, and we're gonna mock up the 2 turbos. So that's exciting, man. I can't wait. You guys hear that rain? It's so loud. Anyway, oh, sorry guys, that rain was kind of loud. Yeah, so we got the motor. We're gonna do the oil pan and cover tomorrow. Drop that thing in the car, and we're gonna start hooking up turbo pipes, fellas. Oh my god, I'm so excited. As a kid, I've always wanted some twin turbo, you know. I could do a single, but let's do something different, fellas. So that's where we're at. So yeah, man, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a nice setup, twin turbo, you know. Let's get it done, guys. All right, take it easy. See you guys on the next one.